So we will do the word problems of exercise 8.6. The sums we had done in the previous class. So question number 3. In question number 3 it is said that Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. So cost of the book. Cost of the book was rupees 35.65. Money given to shopkeeper was equal to rupees 50.00. We have to find how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper. So balance amount received from shopkeeper will be equal to higher amount minus lower amount. So to subtract this will become 5. This will become 9. 9 minus 6 will become 3. This is 9. 9 minus 5 will become 4. And this is 4 because it is giving 1 to all. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Now we will see question number 4. Amount Rani had is equal to rupees 18.50. Means 18 rupees 50 paise. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. Okay, cost of ice cream was rupees 11.75. So is she left with some money? How much money does she have now? So money Rani is left with is equal to minus, this will become 5 and this is 4, so 14 minus 7 is equal to 7 and this becomes 7 minus 1 is 6 and 0. So if we add this and this, then we should get this amount. So you can check it. This will be the answer. This was question number 4. Now we'll do question number 5. Length of cloth Tina had is equal to 20 meter and 5 centimeter. She cuts 4 meter and 50 centimeter long cloth. Okay, length of the cloth cut is equal to 4 meter 50 centimeter. So length of the cloth remaining will be equal to 20 meter and 5 centimeter minus 4 meter and 50 centimeter. So to make our work easy, what we can do, this we can write as 20.05 meter, and this we can write as 4.50 meter. Now it will become easy. 5, this will become 5, this will become 5, this will become 1. This was question number 5. How many more questions are left? Question number 6 is left, 7 is left. Okay, 2 more questions are left. Total distance traveled is equal to 20 kilometer and 50 meter. Out of this, he travels 10 kilometer, 200 meter by bus. Okay, distance covered by bus is equal to 10 kilometer and 200 meter. Rest of the distance it travels by auto. So distance traveled by auto is equal to, this we will subtract. So we can divide each of this by 1000. So this will become 20.050 kilometer, and this will become 10.200 kilometer. Now we can subtract it. This will become 058.90. This will become 9 kilometer and 850 meter by auto. This was which question? Question number 6. Now we'll see question number 7. Is equal to 10 kg. Weight of onion (3 kg 500 gram). Weight of tomato is equal to 2 kg 75 gram. So what is the weight of potato? So weight of potato will be equal to total weight minus weight of this and this. So weight of this and this will become how much? If you add 5 plus 3 plus 2 will become 5 kg, or we can write it once. 3.5 kg we can write this one, plus this we can write as 2.075 kg. So now we can write as this, we can add 10 minus this and this will become 5 point, and 5 plus 0 will become 575 kg. Now it is easy, 10.000 and 05.575 kg and kg. Subtract, it will become 5. This will become 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. And 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So this much kg of potato was left. That's it. With this question, exercise 8.6 is complete. Now you can submit the PDF of exercise 8.1 to 8.6 to me in my email ID. The email ID is given to you already. I will give it to you once again. Okay. So you can send me the PDF of all these exercises, the classwork of which we are maintaining. So I will see that if you are doing or not, and I will revert to you. Alright. Thank you.